Hello everyone, we are going to present our discussion about understanding by design, koneksi antar materi, prinsip pengajaran dan asesmen. Let me introduce our group members. Agusti Dwi Mutia SPD, me Viara Anissa SPD, and Puja Restu Ilahi SPD. Learning outcomes, element writing presenting. By the end of the first CD, student communicates their ideas and experience through simple, organized paragraphs, demonstrating and developing use of specific vocabulary and simple sentence structure. Using models, they plan, create, and present informative, imaginative, and persuasive text in the simple and compound sentences to structure arguments and to explain or justify a position. They include basic information and detail and also vary their sentence construction in their writing. Students express ideas in the present, future, and past tenses. They use time markers, adverbs of frequency, and common conjunction to link ideas. Their attempts to spell new words are based on known English letter sound relationship, and they use punctuation and capitalization with consistency.
I am Puja. I will explain the learning objective. The first one is students are able to compile data, ideas, and impression in the form of written procedural text while paying attention to structure and linguistic aspects. And then students are able to present data, ideas, and impression in the form of oral procedural text while considering the structure and linguistic aspects. Next, for the learning model, we use cooperative learning. For the learning strategy, it is collaborative learning. And then for the learning method, we use differentiated instruction. For the learning technique, we use group discussion and ice breaking. And finally, the assessment that we use is formative assessment in the form of group presentation and quizzes. The learning activities. For the introduction, first, the teacher greets the students. Second, the teacher directs the students to pray together before starting learning. Next, the teacher checks the attendance and readiness of the students. And then the teacher explains the learning objectives. And the teacher asks stimulating questions. Next is students do an initial assessment of the scope of the material using the word wall application. And the last is teacher convey positive expectations.
Next, students watch the how to make a cup of coffee video, and then students listen to the stringing material for the procedure text, and students are divided into groups based on their interests. So after that, the teacher coordinates group activities so that all students are active in the learning process. Students do ice breaking before the presentation activity. Students do presentation and students do peer assessment of the presentation result. So the closing, students work on formative assessment using quizzes, and teacher together with students summarize the learning material about the writing procedure text. The teacher together with students do reflection. The activity was closed with the prayer together. That's all from our group. Thank you.